I'm Amelia Hatfield. I work for Inaphaea Biolabs and I'm the lead scientist of Translational biology and academic collaborations. The main part of my job is to lead the R&D projects for Cytolytix, and I fall more on the academic side, so I can leverage my academic connections to drive projects forward. And I'm also really interested in teaching and outreach, so I get a lot of opportunities to do that. For placement students there. I've done outreach things such as Identify Day, where we had schools, girls from like schools in Nottingham come in, taught them about what we do. And I also have just got a visiting lectureship at King's College London. So hopefully in the near I'll do some teaching there as well. I've been with Inaphaea since April 2023, set in February, so that was when I first to start. It was actually before any of the lab work started. That started in May. So it's actually just writing SOPs, risk assessments, setting up the lab, before starting doing lab work. There's been loads of changes. I think the biggest change was Mark started last year, and then Michelle started in February, I think, so we're still in. Michelle brings a lot of expertise in the drug discovery field. Got a lot to learn from her. And Dylan's a really great support in the lab as I'm a clinician on a day-to-day basis. And having leadership like with Mark, he really values the team, and it allows us to progress our careers as well as benefit in our year as well. My undergraduate degree was in pharmacology. I actually started off doing biological sciences at Nottingham Trent University, and then I had the option to specialise, and once I knew what pharmacology was, I knew that's what I wanted to do. And then with that, we had an oncology course, module on that course, and that's what really sparked my interest in oncology. And then I did a master's in oncology at University of Nottingham, and then I did my PhD there as well. We brought together oncology and pharmacology. Actually a few months ago we got a grant with one of my old supervisors from PhD, so I'm really excited to work with her again. It's with the scientific project. That was really nice. I've been made a visiting lecturer at King's College London, sponsored until I think it's August 2027. So with that, I can access the labs, the chemistry labs in particular. So I go down quite a lot to work there on the Cytolytix project, and it means I can also give lectures as well, which I'm really excited to do. I think that the biggest challenge is we are still such a small team. There's only 3 of us on site day to day, and I think there's so much we could be doing scientifically, but there's just not the resource for it. But it is really nice working with a small team, and it does mean that what we are doing is really focused. I really would like to publish, especially on the work on the PDC characterisation and development of Cytolytix. I've been able to attend LWIC twice now, and the last one I took a poster with me and presented that, which is really cool. So I think that the next thing would be to publish a paper, hopefully, something I'll be working on next year.